Today we are learning about the median. The median is the middle number when all the numbers are arranged in order. So the first thing you're going to do is putting all the numbers in order and then find the number that is located in the middle. By the way, if there are two middle numbers, you need to find their average for the median, which means you need to add the numbers together and divide them by 2. Let's see some examples and get Mathified. Here we have a set of data that is already in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number that is located in the middle is number 3. So our median will be number 3 because the number of the data that we have is odd. But what happens if there are two numbers in the middle and actually the number of the data is even? Like this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here there are two numbers in the middle, 3 and 4. So we need to add them together, 7, and then divide it by 2, which is 3.5. So our median will be 3.5. Now it's your turn. Always remember to put the data in order before finding the median. Now, let's find the median and write it in the comments below. Great job! Keep practicing and math will get easier every day.